Hello, students. Do you want to talk about actions that were happening in the past? Today, I will teach you past continuous tense in the easiest way with simple examples. Let's start. What is past continuous tense? If an action was continuing in the past, we use past continuous tense. Structure. Now I am going to discuss its structure. First we write subject, then was, are, were, then verb first form plus ing, and then object. Now I am going to discuss some examples. First example is I was reading a book. She was cooking food. They were playing cricket. We were going to school. Now I am going to discuss some important rules. We use was with I, he, she, it that are the singular pronoun, and we use were with plural pronoun. For example, you, we, they. Now I am going to discuss some examples according to above mentioned rules. He was sleeping. We used was with singular pronoun he. And the next example is they were studying. We use were with plural pronoun. Now I am going to discuss some negative sentences. First we write subject, then helping verb was or were, then not, and then verb first form and ing. Then object. Now I am going to discuss some examples. First example is I was not reading a book. She was not watching TV. They were not playing football. Now I am going to discuss interrogative sentences. Structure. First we write was or were, then subject, then verb, first form, ing, and then object. Now I am going to discuss some examples. Was he sleeping? Were they playing cricket? Were you studying? Now do some practice. I was eating food. She was not watching TV. Were they going to school? Now I am going to discuss some common mistakes that we usually do in writing and speaking past continuous tense. First example is I was eat food. That is wrong. Okay, the correct sentence is I was eating food. Next example is they were playing cricket. That is wrong. The correct sentence is they were playing cricket. Okay. Now you can easily use past continuous tense. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more English grammar lessons. See you in the next video.